Hi everyone, today we're diving into the all-new 2025 Maruti Suzuki Swift, a hatchback that has been a fan favorite for years. The Swift has always been known for its sporty design, fuel efficiency, and fun-to-drive nature, and the 2025 model takes things up a notch with exciting upgrades. Starting with the design, the new Swift gets a fresh, modern look with sharper lines and a more aerodynamic profile. The front fascia now features a redesigned grille with a honeycomb pattern, sleeker LED headlights, and a sportier bumper. The sculpted bonnet and muscular wheel arches give it a bold presence, while the new alloy wheels enhance the overall sporty appeal. The rear section has also been updated with revised LED taillights and a more refined tailgate design. Step inside, and you'll find a revamped cabin with premium materials and an improved layout. The new dashboard design includes a larger infotainment system with a floating touchscreen display, offering Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless connectivity. The instrument cluster now comes with a digital-analog combination, providing all the necessary driving information in a stylish way. The seats have been reworked for better comfort and support, making long drives more enjoyable. There's also improved cabin insulation, reducing outside noise for a quieter ride. Under the hood, the 2025 Swift comes with a new Generation Z Series petrol engine, which is designed to offer better fuel efficiency and lower emissions. The 1.2-liter three-cylinder engine produces around 80 to 90 bhp, depending on the variant, and delivers a strong mid-range performance. The engine is paired with a 5-speed manual gearbox as standard, while an AMT automated manual transmission option is available for those who prefer a hassle-free driving experience. Maruti has also focused on making the engine more refined and responsive, ensuring a smooth drive in both city and highway conditions. Fuel efficiency has always been one of Swift's strong points, and the 2025 model continues the tradition. With improvements in engine tuning and aerodynamics, the new Swift is expected to deliver a mileage of around 24 to 26 km/h, making it one of the most fuel-efficient hatchbacks in its segment. There are also talks about a mild hybrid version, which could further enhance fuel economy and reduce emissions. On the safety front, Maruti Suzuki has taken a big step forward with the new Swift. The car is built on an improved HEARTECT platform, offering better crash protection and structural rigidity. Standard safety features include dual airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, and hill hold assist in AMT variants. Higher variants come with 6 airbags, a 360-degree camera, and advanced driver assistance systems ADAS like lane departure warning and adaptive cruise control, making it one of the safest Swifts ever. Driving dynamics remain a highlight of the Swift. The lightweight body and well-tuned suspension ensure a fun and engaging driving experience. The steering is precise, and the improved chassis provides better stability at high speeds. The car feels nimble in city traffic and planted on highways, making it a great all-rounder for daily commutes and weekend getaways. Maruti Suzuki has also packed the new Swift with a host of tech features to keep up with modern demands. The infotainment system now supports connected car features, allowing you to track the vehicle's location, check fuel levels, and even control some functions remotely through a smartphone app. Other convenience features include automatic climate control, wireless charging, a push-button start, and a rear parking camera with sensors. In terms of pricing, Maruti is expected to keep the Swift competitive, with prices ranging between 6.5 lakh rupees and 9.5 lakh rupees, depending on the variant. Given the updates in design, technology, and safety, it offers great value for money. Overall, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Swift continues to be a strong contender in the hatchback segment. With its refreshed styling, improved comfort, better efficiency, and enhanced safety features, it's set to attract a wide range of buyers. Whether you're a first-time car buyer or looking for a reliable and fun-to-drive hatchback, the new Swift is definitely worth considering. That's all for today's review. Let me know your thoughts on the new Swift in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest cars. See you in the next video.